Number 4. Resume and cover letter writing. Resume or cover letter is a very important for those who are looking job. People spend a lot of money to create a professional resume and cover letter. Now, if provide resume and cover letter service, then you can also earn money easily. So for creating a professional resume and cover letter, you have to write below prompt in ChatGPT, how to write a professional resume and cover letter. After this, you will get information, how to write a resume and cover letter. Now for resume, first you need to have purpose section. Then second will be your personal information. Third will be your professional summary. Fourth will be your skills, and you have to write minimum 6 to 10 skills. Fifth will be your work experience, and here you have to write most recent job first. Sixth will be your education, and last will be your certifications and languages.